Okay, so it's probably like 10:30, maybe? I don't know. Something like that. I'm really tired. I've been drawing like all night and stuff. Like, I have a mess here of my stuff. Uh-oh. And, yeah, I think my camera's gonna die soon, which could be, but that's okay. And, yeah, I think I'm gonna go to bed soon. It's Saturday night, and tomorrow, on Sunday, I'm going job hunting some more, so gotta get some good sleep for that. So yeah, I will make videos tomorrow or something. So, yeah, bye!